Seebo is an AI-based software solution used by manufacturers to predict and prevent losses in yield and quality. We've learned that medium and large manufacturers lose significant amounts of money due to quality and yield losses. And we believe that manufacturers who will not adopt AI on time will lose their relevancy in the market. On the other hand, manufacturers who will adopt AI early are likely to gain a competitive advantage over the competition.
The main success criteria that we have defined implementing the Seebo solution is around losses reduction, which is a cost in terms of ingredients, but also product, but it's also in terms of quality of the product. So if we can deliver a product good first time, with the cheapest cost, this is where we can win. And this is where Seebo can help us to figure out how to even reduce further the losses and to guarantee as well the quality of our products.
Seebo is a solution to business problems. Our users are not data scientists. Our users are the team members in the factory, process engineers and operators. And our solution is easy to deploy as we plug into the existing sensors and existing QC systems. We've learned that in order to successfully deploy AI on production lines, three things are needed: the right data, support from the team, and support from the management. And in Nestle, CPW, that's exactly what we see. We see great collaboration both from the teams in the factories as well as the teams in the corporate level. It's actually very exciting to see how the largest food manufacturer in the world operates, how they think and test and adopt new technologies.
I believe the agility of Seebo in understanding our needs, the partnering, the feeling that we can work hand in hand to meet a goal. And this is quite unique, and this is probably why startups can really make the difference.
It's not about reducing losses in a single production line. It's about reducing losses in all production lines. It's about understanding quickly what benefits could come from new technologies. It's about testing it quickly, and it's about adopting it in scale.
And the technology you are bringing is really kind of on the edge and can really help us a lot. So I think this is a collaboration that we need to pursue. We have many projects now in mind to go for further with our other factories.